Hello everyone, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about brain chemistry. Stuff you probably already know. If neutron. So, how do neurotransmitter work? This is the biological functions. I will talk about the serotonin. Serotonin affects appetite, sleep, learning, elevate mood, reduces aggressions, makes you resistant to depression and anxiety, makes people think more positively of intimacy and romance. Levels are lower during winter months. Antidepressants, health supplements for HTP, 5-HTP, foods with tryptophan, turkey, soybean, tuna, salmon, rye, nuts, eggs, avocado, flax, olives, fish oil. Endogenous opioids, pain relief, includes endorphins, reduces stress, create a sense of well-being, even euphoria, affect sexual behavior, appetite, body temperature, involve in reward and addictive behavior. Endogenous opioids, strenuous exercise, sex, opium, codeine, morphine, heroin. Now, another chemical is dopamine, pleasurable reward released during pleasurable situations, causes you to seek out rewards, role in addictions, affect motivation, arousal, decision making, improve focus and attention, sexual gratifications, increases sociability. Dopamine, food, sex, rock and roll, cocaine, methamphetamine, alcohol, World of Warcraft, and other addictive video games. Dopamine having too much makes you crazy. Schizophrenia has been linked to high level of dopamine. Having too little makes you shake. Parkinson's disease is due to dopamine deficiency. Taking antipsychotics for long period can cause dystonia, drug-induced Parkinson's. Deficiency may cause ADHD and restless legs syndrome. Gamma aminobutyric acid promotes relaxations, relieves anxiety, improve mood, can induce sleep, can relax sex hormones, inhibitory neurotransmitter, sedative. Gamma aminobutyric acid, GABA, alcohols and Valium. Oxytocin, actually a hormone, sometimes called the love chemical, involved in peer bonding, trust, intimacy, attachment, maternal love, sex, empathy, generosity, social recognitions, social memories. Also promote ethnocentric behavior. Autistic people have less. Also oxytocin, physical contact with another person, hugs, even handshakes, eye contact, give birth, have sex, a stronger effect in women. Cortisol increase blood sugar, fuel to brain increases. heightened working memory temporarily, suppress immune system, reduce inflammations, muscles ache, insomnia, fatigue, weight gain in abdomen, anxiety, decrease libido, decrease muscle mass and bone formations. Cortisol, stress, corticosteroids, adenosine, involved in many biological processes. Adenosine triphosphate, inhibitory neurotransmitter, relax breathing, suppress neuron excitability and firing rate, puts you to sleep, suppress arousal. Adenosine, caffeine binds to same receptor as adenosine and inhibit its effect. Acetylcholine, most common neurotransmitter, first to be discovered, basic transmission of nerve impulses, activate muscles, increase neutron excitability, improve attention reaction time. Acetylcholine, nicotine, there are actual nicotinic receptor for choline in your brain. Certain food, liver, egg yolk, cheese, nuts, oatmeal, soya beans. Nerve egg causes neurotransmitter paralysis by inhibiting effects of acetylcholine. So, friends, in conclusion, method through which all substances act on the brain, neurotransmitters are poorly understood. Notice how nearly all of them affect sleep, sex, mood, appetite. Huge effect on behavior. Behavior also affect neurotransmitter levels. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. Now, epinephrine, we call it adrenaline, fight or flight response, increase heart rate, knee shaking, negative emotions and memories, enhances long-term memory formations. Epinephrine, danger and fears. So friend, hope you will like this video and share it with your friends. How acetylcholine, adenosine, cortisol, oxytocin, gamma aminobutyric acid, dopamine, endogenous opioids, serotonin is helpful for our body, and we call it brain chemistry.